¿Qué tranza, raza? I'm here with my homie T, the only guy that came out to help today. But let me teach you what I'm doing right here. I got the whole land tilled, and what we're doing right here with these flags and all this shit is, all right, let's say we started off down there. We have this little thing right here, a leveler, where we start off. Let me show y'all from right here. When we start off, let's say we're starting off right here, and we make sure the next spot is leveled. So yeah, it's leveled. So what we do is go into the next one and make sure it's level. We put it somewhere where it's level. Well, wherever the fuck that is, it's level. And we just keep going to where it's level. It's gonna turn, it's gonna curve, like see right here. It curves up that way. This is just to make sure it's in the same level as the next, yeah, it's in the same level. This row stays in the same level. So what happens is when it rains, instead of the water going down and sliding off into the lake, you actually get water retained into the little spot. It retains in that little spot and it goes into the soil and you get more water for your plants. So we're gonna do that all the way up, and we're gonna start planting today, hopefully. Yeah. Hey, some TV say fuck y'all or some shit.
Man, look at that view.
And then what we do right here, well, I'm using the shovel. I'm picking it up, put it on the side, make a little swale and trench at the same time. So when the water comes down, water accumulates right here and goes into the soil. And he's using this fat rake, this hard rake, whatever you call that shit. You pull it in, same thing, making a little swell. Water accumulates, and instead of sliding all the way down, it just stops right here, and you get more water in there. Go into the soil. I'm doing it all the way up there. Tierra, compa, tlaskamate, I actually found out how to say it right now. Tlaskamate. It's because I'm actually learning Nahuatl now from a guy. But yes, tlaskamate, tepostle.
I want to say something.
Say something in Spanish. Say fierro, compa.
Fierro, compa.
Yeah.